So if you're ready for your next motorhome, you really need to experience the world-class luxury of American Coach, now here at General RV. Hi, I'm Tom Bennett, and I'll be your motorhome specialist. There's no better way to experience the RV lifestyle than with the American Tradition 45T. Let's take a closer look. So one thing that American Coach does that's very unique in the industry is they partner with their Liberty Bridge and Freightliner to bring you the best riding, most strong and durable chassis on the market. Now, how they do that is they replace the typical C-channel rails that a motorhome has with big I-beams that go from tip to tail of this motorhome. It's a foundation built on strength and durability, and it's made to last. Now, the Freightliner components that they use with the Liberty Bridge, such as your on-guard collision mitigation and adaptive cruise control, you have your independent front suspension, you have a V-Ride drive axle, and then you have a steerable tag axle in the back. So a motorhome this size is going to be as nimble as you need it to be in those tight places around the world. Also, part of what that Liberty Bridge brings you is a center-mounted fuel tank for better ride quality, tons and tons of storage outside. Of course, you have the big Cummins Onan generator up front, dual Girard awnings as you see here, and a truly beautiful paint job. Now let's step inside for the grand tour. Welcome to the American Tradition 45T. It's a very unique floor plan, one of my favorites. The Tradition ranges everywhere from 37 to 45 feet amongst the different floor plans. So the first thing I'd like to start with is our cab area here right up front. There's 3 different screens for you to see here. Of course, you have the OptiView Digital Dash by Freightliner. This is where you'll see your collision mitigation information, tire pressure monitoring, as well as your speedometer, fuel gauges, and then right here, these 2 Excite panels have your Mobileye collision avoidance as well as your navigation and your camera system. Everything is very easy to get to. When you're in this seat right here, you can pretty much get to everything you need without having to reach too far. From your computerized leveling system, your air leveling system, your tag dump that you have right here, heated mirrors. Also, this seat is pretty comfortable. It looks like it's a heated seat with a power footrest on there. As we move to the back, the 45T has one of the most interesting floor plans out there, and part of what makes it so unique is this island right here in the middle. Now, typically motorhomes have slides that come in, so this is not an option for most of them, but their very intelligent use of a buffet style table allows for this to be a motorhome that gives you all the extra counter space and then also gives you the additional storage. It was a very genius way for them to put this together. So starting up front here, we've got your couch and your theater seating kind of across from each other. This is all high quality Apex residential furniture. It's very comfortable. Moving back, you have these taller buffet style tables, which have been a big hit so far in its uniqueness. But while we're right here, I want to point at one thing. Most RVs with their slides have carpet. They come out with the carpet, and it's always this little spot that kind of gets in your way. Being that you have a hydraulic slide system here that raises itself up and comes in, it allows you to have this perfectly flush floor so your porcelain tiles can go all the way through. One thing I'd really like to point out is that technology in RVs has changed. So what you see here is a Firefly multiplex control panel that essentially controls the whole RV, from everything to your power system, to your lights, to even your shades. Also, there's a mobile app that this connects to that is tied to its own internet system. So you could actually control any of the parts of your motorhome from anywhere in the world. Being that you have this island, you have more counter space than any other floor plan similar to it. You have your knock lock for your dishwasher. A little wine cooler right there. And one thing I like with what they did this year is they went to the all black stainless on the appliances. I think it gives it a really nice look. You got your fridge and freezer right here with the ice and water on the door. Right here in the center, you have your induction cooktop. The thing I want to point out with this sink is that it's just a huge sink. Single piece with no break in the middle, so it gives you all the space you need right there. Another big selling point here is, of course, that you have this gigantic pantry. Whenever you have a lot of space in a motorhome, it has to come from somewhere. And in this motorhome, with how it's designed, you don't really have to sacrifice anything. So let's take a look at the bedroom. Coming through the half bath on the way back to the master suite, you've got a great vanity here and a separate toilet. As you can see here, you have a residential king-size bed with plenty of space on either end. You also have little USB chargers and plugs on both sides as well. And there's actually a controller up there on the bottom which can control all the lights in the RV. Here on this side, you can see there's tons of storage, 2 large hanging closets, and then this is another hanging closet of its own. And then behind your TV, kind of have a hidden space here where you have a built-in safe. Nice little addition to it. Now this is what really makes this floor plan so unique, is what we have here in the back. Right here we have a side-by-side washer dryer actually, and then lots of drawers and extra storage that you have there. And then here you have dual vanities, a gigantic shower with a built-in seat that you see there, and then its own closed-off bathroom here in the back. It's a truly great master suite that's all part of a great motorhome. Thank you for joining me for the first look at the American Tradition 45T. It's the embodiment of excellence. To find out more about this beauty and get up close and personal, come visit us at one of our nationwide family-owned super centers or visit us at generalrv.com. Until next time, I'm Tom Bennett, motorhome specialist here at General RV. See you down the road.